Are you ready to test your English vocabulary? You will answer 5 easy questions. Let's see if you can get a perfect score. Question 1. What is the opposite of big? A. Small. B. Tall. C. Long. Take a moment to think. Question 2. What is the opposite of hot? A. Warm. B. Cold. C. Wet. Take a moment to think. Question 3. What is the opposite of happy? A. Angry. B. Funny. C. Sad. Take a moment to think. Question 4. What is the opposite of fast? A. Slow. B. Strong. C. Quick. Take a moment to think. Question 5. What is the opposite of old? A. New. B. Young. C. Small. Take a moment to think. Quiz completed. How many answers did you get right? Write your score in the comments. Follow for more English quizzes.